Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, and thanks for joining us for today's video. And today we're going to be talking about render. What is render? Render is a protective layer that's put on the outside of your property and it actually then protects against wind, rain and algae. And it tends to be these days a silicone render, which is very thin and normally on the outside of some installation. So one of the questions we're often asked is, why is the render changing colour? So about here, we're going to pop in a little picture of a before and after of a recent render clean. So you can see all of the dirt and grime that's on that particular building and then the after. And no, we did not paint it. So it's actually the bacteria on the side of the building that actually grows. Normally you find on northern sides of the property that it's normally that green algae. And then on the south side, you tend to find that it's just dirt, grime, and a little bit of UV damage. So on some render, you often find these big red stains down the outside of the render. And this is actually Trenchophilia bacteria that is formed within that slight surface of the render and then leaks down the outside. And this is often makes the property look really drab and really dirty, but actually it's really easy for us to treat. One of the other questions we're often asked here at Alfresco Exterior Cleaning is, how much does it cost to clean the render? So the short answer is prices start from £395 plus VAT. However, there are many variables that you do need to consider with this. How bad is the algae? Is there Trenchophilia? Is it just dirt and grime? Do we need to treat it multiple times? Can we reach it from the ground? Or do we need to use access equipment or tower scaffold? So the best way to deal with it is to drop us an email, drop us a WhatsApp with some pictures of your property, and then we can give you a firm price. But essentially, budget from £395. If you'd like any more information about Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, based here in Oxfordshire, then please drop us a call on 0333 567 2727 or pop to the website at alfrescoec.co.uk, where you can also go to our knowledge centre and get some more information. Thanks for watching.